It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. Let's start by taking a look in the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We also have our programmable memory seat, child lock button, as well as our power liftgate dial. We have a premium Bose sound system. Down here we've got our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Over here we've got our power moonroof. Next I'm going to climb right inside the vehicle. We'll take a look at the steering wheel. On this side we have our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel button. On this side we have our audio buttons. Here we have our digital speedometer. And over this way we have our GMC infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have navigation. And this screen doubles as our backup camera. Down here we've got our push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, our park reverse drive buttons, as well as some USB and power plug-ins. Over here we've got our heated front seats, as well as our two-wheel and four-wheel drive dial, lane departure, and hill descent control. This Terrain SLT comes with 19-inch wheels. We've got some fog lights at the front. As we make our way down on the door handles, we have intelligent access. As long as you've got the key fob on you, you simply push the button and it will either lock or unlock the doors for you. We also have our power lift gate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. And in the back of the Terrain, we've got a power plug-in. Those levers are to fold those rear seats down. And we also have a storage compartment down below. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 5-passenger vehicle. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of those front seats, we've got a couple of seat pockets. Down below, we've also got 2 USB plug-ins, as well as a 120-volt power plug-in. Our center seat folds down into double cup holders and an armrest. And we can fold these rear seats down if we've got larger items that we'd like to store in the back. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Terrain SLT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.